Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn together how do we set up M2 Pro MacBook Pro 2023. If you are interested, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported me to this channel. And if you want to give more support from me for this channel, you can click join membership through my channel. And also, you can give me super thanks through this video. Alright, so the first thing I have for new device is screen recording. And if you follow my previous video, I have using screen recording. It's called Screen Studio. And this video also record using Screen Studio. So if you want to know about Screen Studio, you can watch my previous video and you can just you can just try this Screen Studio. And if you consider to buy this Screen Studio, you can click link in the description below. Alright, so the step is very easy. We can just click download here and it will bring us to new page, which we have two options: download for Apple Silicon or download for Intel. So because this is Apple Silicon, you can press download for Apple Silicon. Alright, so I just need to skip this process because I have installed this Screen Studio for this video. Alright, and the next step, if I have screen recording, I also need something called video editing software. And usually I use Premiere Pro. And right now I just want to move to another video editing software, which is Davinci Resolve. But here, as we can see, Davinci Resolve has two options: free option and Davinci Resolve Studio. Let's see. Alright, here, two great version. We can use Davinci Resolve for free, and also we can consider to buy this Davinci Resolve Studio. It's only around $300 US. So here with Davinci Resolve free, we have all these features for free, such as export up to 4K video in 60 FPS, and also we can color grading in HDR. So for now, I just try this in free version. So we can just click this free download and we can select the operating system we want, and we need to fill some information here. Just press register and download. And I have downloaded this, so I just need to open up this DMG file. So here we have a manual book and also this install Resolve. Just click this, and here we need to install Rosetta. Just press install, put the password, and done. And then now the step is for install Davinci Resolve, and press continue, agree, install. Alright, we just wait less than a minute. Alright, we finish install Davinci Resolve free version and move to trash. Alright, let's check. Now we have Davinci Resolve here, and we can also check it on application, and now we have Davinci Resolve here. Alright, so next we need to install something like a media player, and previously I am using this media player. Sometimes I need to play MKV video, which is not support yet by QuickTime player. So why I need third-party media player for macOS. And you know, the alternative of IINA we have such as VLC, but here I consider to use this IINA media player. Alright, so the step is very easy. We can just press this download button and it will download setup file. So we can just open in here, IINA version 1.3.3.3. Alright, now we can check in here. Now we have IINA media player for macOS installed on my device. And what we do next, we want to install such as what we say, it's called PeaZip here. And sometimes I need to create something like archive. So why we need this PeaZip on macOS? So here we have many options, but this software, which is PeaZip, support many OS like Windows and then Linux and also macOS. So here we can choose this PeaZip for Apple Silicon. So we can just press this and it will bring us to this file. So here the file, we can drag it into application. And now let's go to application and we have PeaZip in my device. And next we need another app, which is like maybe Notion. So here, I'm sorry, Notion desktop here, and here we can download for macOS or download for Windows, or if you consider to use web version, you don't need to download anything from Notion. So here we need to open up this Notion and then drag into application, and now Notion install on my device. And next I need to install like a WhatsApp and Telegram. So here I have downloaded, so we can just open up the setup file. And next for Telegram, and next also Discord. And next we need to install Android Studio here. So we can just press this download and agree, and we can select Mac with Intel chip or Mac with Apple chip. So we just need to open up this setup and bring to application. It's about 2.8 GB. And next we need to install the IDE text editor, which is Visual Studio Code, and just open up. So I think what we need to do, we need to move this Visual Studio Code on application here. And now when we open this, it will install on my device. Alright, so we can check about. Alright, check update. Alright, so this is the latest version of Visual Studio Code. Alright, and next let's install something called System Monitor. So in this video, let's try to using this awesome System Monitor for macOS. It's called Stats. So previously in my previous macOS, which is Intel based, I'm using something called menu matters. So if you are also using that system monitor, it's awesome. But previously I'm using menu matter for network monitor only. But here we have a lot of feature such as a battery and then SSD, and also it's kind of like CPU, network, RAM, and so on and so on. So here you can just click link in the description below to get this awesome system monitor application. So here we have installation step. So we can install manual here, or we can use homebrew. All right. So here we have stat.tmg. So let's open in. So here just open and then drag into app folder. And now let's open up the stat app and just press open and press OK. Press next and then press next and next again. So maybe we want to share the data and then next and finish. All right, so here now we have something like SSD, GPU, and RAM, and so on and so on. So let's setting this. So maybe in this gear button, and this is the dashboard. Show the device here and CPU. So maybe we can hide, and GPU we can show here or hide maybe this RAM and this information and so on and so on. So here it's kind of like sensor. So we can set here by byte or bit here. This is the widget. We can set it 1 row or 2 row. So we can select the style, arrow, character, and so on. So we can use dot here, color is value, and so on. Alignment we can set it to right, and so on. All right, so the active will be on the left. When we move to the left, all right, I see. So we can move to the left to see. It's kind of like a grab, a chart, and so on and so on. So I think I just need this network for now. And maybe what we say here, CPU, and maybe a little bit GPU. All right, so GPU type. All right, so yeah, we have install and set up this system monitor for macOS, which is called Stat. So yeah, this is awesome. So you can try this system monitor on your device. So yeah, we have set up a lot of application for now, but I haven't yet set up like a Flutter and other programming language. So maybe in the next video I'll try to set up this kind of like Flutter and maybe others programming language. So yeah, I think that's enough my video today. If you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.